Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys this very easy, neutral, everyday sort of a look using some Belora Paris makeup, and I'm going to also share my review about these products. So yes, if you're interested to know my thoughts about these or in this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Belora Paris is a cruelty-free vegan makeup brand. All its products are certified, made safe, and all of the ingredients they use are organically sourced, are safe for your skin, and they have a full ingredient disclosure in their description. Like it's a trend these days that a lot of brands just mention their key ingredients list and call it a day, but they have ensured that they use good ingredients and also name all of the ingredients they have used. So I'm going to first start off with this Belora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer. It claims to have real gold for real brightness and has a unique natural formula combined with fruits and AHA. This one retails for ₹7.99 and you get 30 grams of product. So I'm just going to take like a little bit of this. You can use it under your makeup or you can also use it as a skincare because it contains skincare ingredients. It has a very pleasant fragrance, like it has a floral fragrance, but it's not over the top at all, which I really like. It has a little bit of pinkish glow to it, which is ideal for everyday use. Also, it does not contain any shimmer particles. It's just the glow of the moisturizer, and it also feels very hydrating on the skin. Now, I don't have a base product from them, so I'm just going to use my own concealer. They do have a BB cream, I guess. But yeah, I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer on my problematic areas, that is where I have a little bit of discoloration or spots, and I'm just going to blend it out. After that, I'm just going to use some lipstick from Belora Paris Leave No Evidence range, and this is in the shade Mauve Lumps. This is how it looks. The packaging looks very bougie and classy. I have heard really good things about these lipsticks, so yeah, I'm quite excited. I'm just going to use it as a blush for now. And after that, I'm just going to take the Illuminating Moisturizer again, and I'm going to use it as my highlighter. So just like taking a little bit of it, and I'm going to apply it on the highest point of my face, which is right here, on my forehead a bit. Now for my eyebrows, I'm just going to use some tinted brow mascara, and I'm going to run it through my brows. This will add just a little tint to my brows and will make it look fuller and keep it in place. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of some powder on a very big fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it on those areas where I have applied my concealer just to set it in place. You can totally avoid this step if you have like dry skin. I have really oily skin, so I want my makeup to last longer, so I'm just setting it in. Lastly, I have this Belora Paris Identity Intense Black Gold. This one retails for ₹2.99 and you get 0.35 grams of product. It comes in a very soft pink rotatable eye pencil format. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it on my waterlines. Now talking about the Belora Paris Intense Black Kajal, then as the name suggests, it is intense black. It is very smooth and easy to glide. It does not tug or pull whatsoever. I'm also just going to quickly tight line my eyes. It does not smudge once it sets, so what a budge proof and smudge proof kajal it is. It is great for everyday wear. Like you see, the kajal is set and it's not going anywhere. Like no matter whatever pressure I apply, it's not moving, which I love about this. I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. And now finally, to finish off the look, I'm just going to apply the same lipstick on my lips. It is very lightweight, comfortable, and does not dry out your lips. It's smudge proof, budge proof, transfer proof, and everything you want. These lipsticks have intense pigmentation in just one swipe. You can multitask with this like I have. I have used it as my blush. You can also use it as your eyeshadow, and this stays on for the entire day unless you do not eat something really oily. Otherwise, it will get removed from the center of your lips. So yes guys, that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this easy enough, and you can find the purchase link of Belora Paris Cosmetics in my description box below, so make sure you check them out. If there's only one thing which you want to get from them, get their liquid lipstick. They're just so comfortable and feels so good on the lips. And yes, with that we finish this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be again in the description box, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.